Straighten them up, Billy. There you go. Back up. Well, you're almost tight too. You almost have it too. You're damn close. I mean, I think if you come over a little bit more, I just don't want to catch that rock with your frame. Damn close. Now, you're damn close too. Well, he has a rock over here, Lisa, that he's up on. Once he gets up on that, he'll get that tire up on this one.